Right now, I'm drinking the cleanest water I've ever had. And it didn't come from a bottle, a store, or even my tap. It's 100% free and I can make it anytime I want, even if the stores are empty. Imagine the power goes out, the shelves are empty. Everyone's scrambling for bottled water, and you're sitting here with gallons of fresh, clean drinking water, all because of a simple setup I built in a weekend. This is not a well. It's not a giant, expensive filter. It's something you can build for under $100 and it works anywhere it rains. I'm talking about a rain collection system with a first flush diverter. Basically, I'm catching rain straight from my roof, but here's the trick. The first few gallons? They're nasty. Dust, pollen, leaves, bird droppings. Everything that's been sitting up there gets washed off. Instead of letting that mess into my tank, I built a system that automatically throws away the dirty water before it ever touches my drinking supply. This vertical pipe right here is the magic. When it rains, the first 10-20 gallons fill up this pipe. Inside, there's a floating ball. As the pipe fills, the ball rises, sealing it shut. Only then does the clean rainwater flow into my main barrel. After the storm, a small valve at the bottom slowly drains out that dirty water, ready for the next rain. By the time the water hits my tank, it's already skipped 90% of the dirt. That means way less smell or weird taste. My filters last way longer. I can drink it with just a quick filter or a boil. Honestly, I've compared it side by side with tap water, and this stuff tastes fresher. Here's how I built mine. 1. Gutter to downspout. The rain from my roof flows right into the downspout. 2. To dirt trap pipe. I added a vertical PVC pipe, and that's the first flush. 3. Sealing ball. Inside is a floating ball that seals the pipe when it's full. 4. Main tank. From there, the clean water flows into my main storage barrel. 5. Drain valve. A little slow drain valve at the bottom empties the dirty water after the storm. If you're drinking it, I still recommend running it through a small filter. I use a $30 countertop filter just for peace of mind. But starting with already clean water makes the job way easier. And if the power's out, I can boil it on my camp stove or rocket stove. I built this after seeing just how fragile our water supply can be. One storm, one broken water main, or even a citywide boil notice, and people are lined up hoping to grab whatever's left. Now I'm set for life.
So this weekend, instead of binging another Netflix series, why not set yourself up with clean drinking water forever?
I put together a free guide with the exact parts list and a diagram of my build. Links in the description. You don't need to wait for an emergency to be ready. And trust me, the first sip will blow your mind.